Hello guys, welcome back again. In my last class I told you um, in our next class, which is this class, we're going to start with playing with both hands, and that's exactly what we want to do. All we are doing is just finger training. So if you're able to train your right hand, you need to train your left hand as well. Many times you do have difficulties playing both hands, especially left hand if you're right-handed. Okay, let's go. As I told you, when you place your finger, you play the first 5 fingers, then when you return, you play the last 3 fingers to complete the octave. The same way when you are coming, when you are returning. That's just exactly what we'll do here. Okay, let's go. Hope I still remember all this again. So I will encourage you to continue to play, continue to practice, and make it harmonious. Play the two at the same time until you become completely perfect with the two hands. As we come, the next time we'll learn penta scales, we'll learn other scales, all in an attempt to make your fingers flexible and to train your fingers so that you'll be able to play with both fingers. I hope you enjoyed the class. In our next class, we'll continue. I want us to take class bit by bit so that you don't miss out anything. Now, if you're able to practice this consistently, at least for 3 hours, cumulative 3 hours, you should be perfect with it. So thank you. Please, as you watch my videos, do well to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.